Hello everyone. Today I'm very excited to show you the recipe that is similar to falafel, but in India it is called Masala Vada. Soak 1 cup of chickpea overnight and drain the water in the morning. Take 2 spoons of groundnut soaked in water. Mix the chickpea and groundnut. Keep it aside. Here are the main ingredients. Take half cup of curry leaves, half cup of grated raw coconut powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 spoon of coriander seed, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 to 3 green chilies, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, 1 garlic and 2-inch chopped ginger. Along with that, some of the herbs are 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves and 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Take the ingredients other than onion, mint leaves and coriander leaves into the blender jar and blend them to powder. For this blend mix, add chickpeas and groundnuts and blend them to very coarse. Be careful, not fine paste. It should be coarse. You can make it by blending them in pulse mode. Because of this coarse paste, you are going to get crunchy outside and soft mashy inside. Now take the blend mix into mixing bowl, add adequate salt and now add our onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped mint leaves. Mix the ingredients well and get ready to make the balls for vada. This is the authentic and traditional style recipe, so we are not using any binding agent like mashed potato or wheat flour. Please consider that while leaving the vada recipe into the oil, it is common that some of the particles may splatter out of the shape. Please consider using finely chopped onion and finely chopped herbs. We are not using any water to make vada shape as it has to bind itself. After mixing the ingredients well, make circular shapes like balls and keep that ball in between the palms and press to 1/4 inch thickness. As the vadas are thick enough, we are going to do double frying so that outside will be crunchy, inside will be mashy. After making the balls, keep the frying pan, add enough oil for deep frying, and the oil should be with high temperature to get deep frying. Try to press the vada while leaving into the oil so that we can avoid splattering of the vada. Slowly and carefully leave the vadas from corner to the oil and allow the vadas to fry on both the sides until the color changes to golden color. Take out from oil and drain them well. After the first frying, wait for a while and again leave the vadas slowly into the oil for second time frying. Allow the vadas to fry well until they become brown color on both the sides. Our hot, crunchy masala vadas are ready to serve. Here are the two dipping sauces for masala vada. You can eat them right away or you can dip them in the dipping sauce and enjoy them. Here is the dipping sauce karam recipe. Take a blender jar, add 5 to 6 red chilies and half chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 garlic powder and pinch of salt. Blend them into paste. And the second one is the groundnut chutney. Dry roast 1 cup of peanuts, 2 to 3 green chilies and 1 garlic powder. Transfer them to blender jar along with a pinch of tamarind and salt for taste. Blend them to powder and then add little water to make into a paste. And for seasoning, take tadka, add 2 spoon oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 2 red chilies and few curry leaves. Let pop the seeds and then add this tadka into the peanut chutney. Please try this Indian masala vada at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you. Happy cooking.